Good morning, children. You all are welcome to your English class. Children, today we are going to read the poem A Nation's Strength. Children, do you know what is a country's biggest strength? In the poem, the poet is telling us that the pillars of a nation on which it rests are its people. It means the strength of the nation depends on the people of the country, on its countrymen. If the people have a sound value system, the nation is bound to prosper. If the people are honest, if they are hardworking, if they are brave, and they think about the progress of the nation, their nation will be strong, wealthy, and prosper. The poet talks about how the hardworking people of our country make it strong, and not just wealth and riches. It means only money cannot make a nation strong. Only countrymen can make a nation strong by the values and by their sincere work, sincere duties, and by their thinking, by their activities. Okay, children, let's read the poem A Nation's Strength. Not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong. A nation can be strong if the people who live here they work sincerely their duty, they are hardworking, true, and honest. Men who, for truth and honor's sake, stand fast and suffer long. Brave men, men who, for truth and honor's sake, people who always follow the path of truth, the people who are honest, people who are punctual, and people who always think about the honor of the country. They do their duty so honestly, and sometimes they sacrifice their lives for the country. Brave men who work while others sleep. Brave men, there are so many people, and some are so brave, and some do not want to do work. They always try to lead a luxurious life. But the brave men, the brave people who work their duty so sincerely, so honestly, they only can make their nation so strong. Who dare while others fly? Brave people who work for the safety of the country, people who work for the prosperity of the country, people who work for the honor of the country, they dare while others sleep, others fly. They do their duty sincerely while other people fly from the work. They don't want to do the work. They shirk from the duties. They build a nation's pillars deep. Brave people, honest people, they only make their nation's pillars deep. They make their nation so strong and lift them to the sky. It means they always do work to gain name and fame for their country. They want to make their country shine among the other countries of the world. They always try to gain name and fame, pride for the country. So, children, the real treasure of the nation are its people who work for their country. It is a beautiful poem and it is composed by Ralph Waldo Emerson. I think the poem is clear to all of you. Thank you, children.